Okay, hello, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners. I'm just showing you some items that we use to protect our fruit trees when it gets colder. Okay, this right here is a frost blanket right here. And there's a Restore store in the Central Florida area. I'm quite sure you may have a couple of them around you, and you can get those at a discount. So these are that's a frost cloth right there. This right here is a tablecloth, right? And it has the felt. And this was at Aldi's for $3. Use those right there to go ahead and protect your trees. Of course, this is a plant cover. You can get those at Amazon. Right here we have some bamboo sticks and green yardsticks. And this is what we use to anchor the tree, like what my hubby's doing right now. Right, he's anchoring these up. And then you just go ahead and build this little apparatus right here. And you can drop frost cloths over them. So just by anchoring it up like that, starting to get the trees prepared, right? You can use some weed fabric right here, right? Take that and wrap it around like the area, so you don't have to wrap it on top of the tree, right? You just go ahead and wrap it around the area to stop that cold from getting in. When we also have these, right, pool noodles, right? This was at the Restore, and as you can see, that long pool noodle was $177. And what you do with those is you can go ahead and take them and fold them over the leaves before you throw your blanket over it. So, it's not completely on top of the leaves. So that helps with a little bracket. So you find little brackets that you can utilize to protect your fruit trees, okay? If you have smaller fruit trees, you can go ahead and use bigger buckets that you have left over and place them over them. If you have smaller fruit trees, okay? So there's a lot of different things that you can use to get ready for the cold that's coming in. And if you have these items now and you situate them all in one spot in your garden, then as soon as you know the temperatures are going to be ready, you can go right ahead and drop these items right on top of your fruit tree. You got blankets, you got sheets, towels. Remember, hit those thrift stores, hit those flea markets and yard sales, right? Go ahead and use all of these different places so that you can go ahead and protect your fruit trees as it get cold, okay? So I'm trying to stick with this easy gardening, right? And we don't want to wait for the last minute and stress ourselves out. We know that weather is coming. So this is what you need to protect some of those fruit trees that cannot take the temperatures of below 40. Once again, I am in Zone 9B, Central Florida, okay? So go ahead and learn your zones, learn which fruit trees need chill hours, right? And what fruit trees that you really actually have to protect, right? So what I'm saying by that is if you have a persimmon, we don't protect the persimmons in Central Florida. I don't protect peach trees and plum trees, right? Because they actually need chill hours. But when it comes to my mango tree, I must protect my mango tree, right? Because the mangoes doesn't like chill hours, right? I mean, they get a little bit of cold, but not a lot, right? Also, I have stuff like this right here that I got from the flea market for $1, right? And I can protect some smaller ones and just shove them in there, okay? So I'm just bringing you little pieces of equipment that you can utilize to protect your trees. And, get those done now. So this way you're not scrambling later. And that'll help you protect your garden that you work so hard for. And as you go along, you can decide after the winter time is over whether you want to be bothered with trees that you got to constantly protect, or would you just rather have trees that you don't have to worry about anymore. And that's like peach trees and persimmon trees. But I know a lot of us like mangoes, so you like mangoes, you got to go ahead and protect them, okay? Okay, so just bringing you this little info once again. Trying to help you with some easy gardening for beginning fruit tree gardeners. And again, I'm in Zone 9B, Central Florida. And I suggest you do research on the zones in your area for whoever does not live in Florida or other parts of Florida on the chill hours and how many chill hours your plant can actually take, and for the ones that cannot take any cold whatsoever. Hoping you're having a nice day. Goodbye.